Hey guys, welcome back to the Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to do another Wish.com unboxing. If you missed the first video that I did on Wish, which is on the screen right now, I bought a laptop for $1 on Wish. And well, if you haven't watched the video, I'll put a link down below. We'll just say that things might not have went exactly as planned. I thought I'd give them another shot. Maybe not be so aggressive in the deal that I'm trying to get. But obviously I didn't learn my lesson because I went for a free item this time. But not something of the value of a laptop. So this time we just went with a 7 ports LED USB hub. Pretty simple, right? But it was free. You can see right here it actually says 4-port because there were 2 different options. And that's one thing I learned in the comment section of the last video. People said make sure to read the reviews and read the description and blah blah blah. So okay, we're looking at it. It says 7 ports up here and that it is free. So this listing has actually updated a little bit since I bought this item. It is still free. You have the choose size and the choose color. And you see a 4-port black, and it says it is free with $3 shipping. I actually paid $2 shipping. If we go back to my invoice here, you can see that the item was free, and we scroll down, I paid $2 for shipping. So they've raised the price of shipping by $1. So you can see once the page updates, the 7-port one is now $4 USD with $3 shipping, and the 4-port is what you can get for free. So let's unbox this thing and see if I actually got a 4-port USB hub and see if it actually works. Are you ready for the unboxing of the USB hub? Looks like a USB hub to me. Well, at least the potential. The laptop came in the same size bag. So, let's open this sucker up, see what is in there. It's not all stuck to the bag. Stuck to the bag for some reason? Weird. Okay. And there we go. We have 3 ports there, 1 port there. Doesn't look anything like the picture. The picture, it had switches. You see that? Do you guys remember the picture? We might have to go back there and check it out. So, technically it is a 4-port hub. It has like a 1-foot cord on it. Where's my damn switches? That was half the reason that I wanted. And it had LEDs where it lit up. I'm telling you, these bastards on Wish just scam your ass left and right. Guess that's what I get for trying to get something for free, huh? I only paid $2 for shipping, but I still feel like I got the worst end of that deal. Let's plug it in and see if it does anything. Alright, so we've set up our little test, and I thought the best way to go about it is using this little USB fan, because all I really want this hub to do is charge my various tablet devices, things of that nature. So we're going to plug the USB in and see if it turns on the fan, meaning we have power at these ports and that it works, despite not having the LEDs or the switches that it's supposed to have. Rotten bastards. Alright, here we go. Maybe. Flip it the other way. Oh, do you hear it? Do you hear it? And the fan is running.